Hi guys, I'm outside number 1 of 43 on Chester. It's a 2-bedroom villa. The childcare is right opposite here. You've got the RSL, which is literally 1-minute walk. The station is within 15 minutes walk. You've got the frontage, so it's a beautiful front, very well kept, very cleanly kept, as you can see. 2 bedrooms. You've got a beautiful space at the back as well. So that's the living area here. That's the bathroom in there. Master bedroom. So if looking for something that is close, within walking distance to everything Ingleburn has to offer, this is the one. That's the kitchen here. And then you've got the backyard in here as well. Low maintenance, as you can see. Cleanly kept. If you are looking something that has value written all over it, this is the one, guys.